we will unpack the IC3000 and components to be installed. Please check the parts required for IC3000 installation. Remove the locking pins so the chair can rotate. Install the chair cable and a cable protection cover to prevent damage. Damage caused by failure to install the cable is not covered by the free warranty. I installed it by plugging the chair's power cable into the unit's main power outlet. Turn on the power switch and test operation. If operation is not working properly, reset the device to factory settings and test operation again. IC3000 has been installed. Thank you.